Hi, PaolaJo from Cedar Quilts with a quick tip Tuesday for you for Pro Stitcher and free motion combos. This is really a very helpful thing. Did you know if you have two digital designs, rather than stressing out about trying to get everything glued together and have Pro Stitcher stitch everything, you can stitch out one design with the Pro Stitcher and then you can do free motion while everything is still in regular mode and then stitch the next one. Watch this. So we're going to stitch this one with Pro Stitcher. And we're going to let that stitch out. And then we're just going to turn on our handlebars and we're going to just move it up. We're going to move it over. We're going to move it down and have it pretty close to where we need to be in the center of that one. Then be sure to select the next design. Again, Pro Stitcher, run, and it's going to stitch it out for you. Just like that. If you'd like to learn more about your Pro Stitcher and free motion combinations, check me out, PaolaJo at cedarquilts.com. I've got all kinds of free tips. I've got short little tutorials and classes that are very affordable. And I have Tutor Time, where you and I can talk live and remote, and you can ask all your questions and I'll help you enjoy your quilting more. See you soon. Toodaloo.